ago, and he talked about the long-term plan is still to acquire assets, whether it's prospects, picks, all those types of things. But again, today, he challenged his veteran players. Yes, they're going to get the prospects, but the veteran guys have to compete better.
Well, Tampa Bay coming in with a top power play at 29.8%. Kings on the kill, 74.4. Here's Braden Point shooting. Scores! 10 seconds after the penalty, Point capitalizes. Tampa Bay's got a 1-0 lead.
In chatting pregame with Drew Doughty, I asked him the key. He said, stay out of the box. Well, unfortunately for the Kings, they have that automatic delay of game. Non-clear there by Forbort. That creates the issue. Now you have guys with so many different options, and you see the misdirection. The pass is coming one way over to Point, and then he's able to move the other way against the flow. Doughty thinks he has to take away back door, but because of the clear-cut turnover, right there, you put yourself in so many bad circumstances, so many options, and the Lightning lead 1-0.
Nikita Kucherov picking up his 101st point on that play. He finished last year with 100 points even, finishing third in the Hart Ross Trophy race. As back with the puck, it's Anton Strawman for the Lightning, ahead for Kucherov. Taken away now by Adrian Kempe. Stamkos gets the primary assist as it's backhanded in here by Drew Doughty. Strawman double teamed in there. Kucherov battling for the puck. He's able to slip it out to center. Phaneuf's got it there.